Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. It's a new year, and for me, that means more financial literacy. Especially in my 20s, I'm focusing on how to make my money work for me, instead of trading my time for money. One of the best ways to do this? Investing. But honestly, investing can feel overwhelming. Where do I start? What should I invest in? How do I manage it? Will I still be able to use that money? Over the last couple of years, I've learned a lot about investing, and I want to share the most important things I've discovered. Quick disclaimers. This is not financial advice. What works for me may not work for you. This video is all about money, so if that's not your cup of tea, it might be best to click away now. Let's start with a common question. When should you start investing? Maybe you have student loans or car payments. What should you prioritize? Before investing, there are a few key prerequisites to check off. One tool I love is the FIRE flowchart, that stands for Financial Independence Retire Early. I'll put it on screen and link it below. Here's what you should be able to do before investing. Pay all day-to-day expenses, rent, utilities, food, insurance, etc. Make minimum payments on any loans or credit cards. Have an emergency fund of 3-12 months of living expenses. If your income is unstable, aim for 6-12 months. Personally, I keep 1 year of expenses saved. Make sure your emergency fund is in a high-yield savings account, not a regular bank account. A regular account may earn almost no interest, but a high-yield account could earn 4-5% depending on the bank. This helps your money grow with minimal effort and keeps it segregated so you're not tempted to spend it. Next question, pay off debt or invest? If your debt has an interest rate above 7%, pay it off first. If it's 3-4%, you can make minimum payments and invest the rest. Only invest money you won't need in the next 3-5 years. For short-term goals, like a house down payment or education, keep that money in a high-yield savings account. Before picking stocks, invest in your future retirement. Workplaces offer plans like 401k or 403b, pre-tax accounts, pay taxes when you withdraw. Post-tax, Roth accounts, pay taxes now. Withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Check if your employer matches contributions. This is free guaranteed money. Always aim to get the full match. You can also open a Roth IRA for post-tax contributions. In 2024, the max contribution is $7,000 or $8,000 if over 50. Keep your accounts in one institution if possible for easier tracking. Now let's talk investing. For beginners, the easiest method is index funds. Mutual funds or ETFs track a market index like the S&P 500. They are diversified, reducing risk. They have lower fees than hiring a financial advisor. History shows index funds work. Warren Buffett challenged hedge funds in 2008. Over 10 years, an S&P 500 index fund beat hedge fund managers. The average annual return over 100 years? About 10%. My strategy? Buy index funds weekly using dollar-cost averaging. This method ensures steady investing, even when the market is volatile. You can even buy partial shares so you don't need hundreds of dollars at once. This is a beginner's overview of investing. It can be confusing at first, but financial literacy is power. If you have tips, advice, or questions, drop them in the comments. And if there are topics you want me to cover next, let me know. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. See you next week, bye!